we had taken all precautions. We were successful up to a certain extent, although we had a large number of cases last year between September till November, till December. Now, all this time, even when the cases were decreasing, we had given the advisory on the 3 Ws. Wear your mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. Those 3 are the cardinal instructions which we have issued. Berganong ni, baru kata bagi hiar kikis, nadu December ter ni ahi kicu kijing betha, likely W. What clap, bandeng gamas, what clap, ban sanitize dan ban sajid kiti, what clap, ban pet, ban kanum dan kecing nyatur hajar dan ni kecing lembrum, hak cakah babun beri. Kita kidi kita ba dausan balai ke kieu ni. Mentah kani kadai kekhlam, but kadang dai kekhlam. This is a pandemic and it's still very much a pandemic. Nobody has ever declared that the pandemic is over. Kekhlam patkut. Lara ni shin gini gilat niada. We go by these protective measures, preventive measures. I am definite that we can arrest and contain. Ndrai nadu itu kipor January Feb nilalam au nakaliang kacami. Ba lada ngim buat perking. Kamud lada kawan lani wan manu kibadan yang ni kacang Jepang kaploy ban kami nomor pinpet kumbala ong Dr. Rajiv Mantan babun kim pediang mention snam apor kastang kini ka klam ngibun apeng ngejungi ngidon kapeng kajing bamtip bat nomor ngidon apeng kajing bamtip ki babun ki beri kim pediang ki ong kampoi cheni ndai kapoi bat nimdan ki dawai banyada ni khmi nanti banginyo ya ka vaccine nginyo ya ketika we waited for a long time for the vaccine and this vaccine came, and when it came we asked a lot of questions about the vaccine, which is not fair. This vaccine is going to protect and prevent. It will prevent either from you contracting the virus and affecting you personally, or even if the body can't fight it, the severity comes down, the virulence comes down. We have seen that there were many people who have questioned about the vaccine, have refused to come for vaccination. But here I will say it bluntly, vaccinate before it's too late. Dan orang ni, I inject bakanyada. Yafi, the other person opposite you will wear a mask, and you will wear a mask. You will maintain the distance, I will maintain the distance. I will sanitize, you will sanitize.